This is our new product. It's CMBear Handheld Electric Breast Pump. Let's look at the box. Ayan. So, ng mga features nito, we'll go through it one by one later. But, offhand, BPA-free, portable. It has a 9-gear adjustable levels. It's quiet. Maganda rin to kasi USB charger ang kailangan. Built-in rechargeable battery. You have two suction modes. You have two modes, that's massage and suction, and then you have the LED display. So, let's open it. Okay. And it looks like this when you open it. And we'll put out the contents one by one. So you have the bottle. You have the instruction manual. Ito, medyo yata mahirap ito. Ayan. Para makita nyo. Now we will see the contents of this box. Let's put it here. Let's put it there. Okay. Isa-isay natin. We have a 24mm flange. You have the motor, and you can open that in a while. Spare parts. So this is the vacuum, the valves. You will have two spare parts. And then you have your USB cable included. Ayan. Wala na naman. Okay. Let's set it up for now. This is the CMBear 0901 Handheld Electric Breast Pump. Ito siya. Okay, so what we're going to do is to show you how simple it is to set this up. So, you have the bottle. This is a 180 ml bottle, or that's 6 ounce. You have the motor. It is very light. It comes in two colors. Now I'm showing you the pink one. This is the best-selling color. Ayan. So this is where you open it. This is the mode, and this is how you increase and decrease the suction. Dito rin yung ipapasok ang USB charger, USB cable. We'll set that up later. This is the body. Dito nyo ipapasok yung flange and yung vacuum later on. Or, tama, valve pala. This is where you will put the vacuum. This is your valve. This is your vacuum. And this is your flange. Okay, so let's set it up. First, you get this. You put it here. You put the vacuum there. You put the suction valve here. And make sure that it's tight. You put on the bottle. Yan, simple lang. Then, we put on, ay, nabuksan na. Let's close that. Yan. Nakita niyo ginawa ko? Twinist ko lang papaloob. And then, we put the flange. And that's it. It's so simple. Now, how do we open? So, when you start, make sure that you're in a comfortable place. And then, you will use it one by one breast at a time. Once you're done, you just open this. Hold for 2 seconds and it will open. So, now you will see, meron siyang mode. Ayan, nakikita nyo? Ayan. Ayan. One more time. Ayan. Okay. How do you increase or decrease? Okay. Papakita ko sa inyo paano nangyayari sa vacuum. There you go. Kapag halimbawa medyo mahina, ganyan siya. When we go up, okay, let's close that. Now, how do we charge this? What I like about this is that it has a USB port. I'll get yung kasama niyang USB cable. I'll do that. Plug that in. Now, even if you're outside, whether you're inside or outside, you can plug that in a power bank. Okay, so that's on. And now you will see that it's blinking. So now that's charging. You can see na full bat siya. So ang nangyayari kapag halimbawa or charging siya, pag full bat siya, hindi na siya magbe-blink. So that's your sign na full battery na siya. Okay, so we'll leave it there until ma-full charge. That's it. That's our CMBear handheld electric breast pump.